Narrow channels. These rules apply to vessels navigating in the narrow channel or fairway. A vessel, when within a narrow channel or fairway, should navigate on the outer limit of the channel or fairway on her starboard side as long as it is safe. It has to consider factors like draft and width of the ship in relation to depth and width of the channel. Vessels less than 20 meters, or 65.6 feet in length, should not impede the passage of a ship navigating within narrow channel or fairway. Similarly, a sailing vessel should not come and disturb the passage of a ship navigating within a narrow channel or fairway. These small vessels and the sailing craft can always use the shallower part of the channel. Fishing vessels in a fairway. The fishing vessels, while fishing, should not come to obstruct the safe passage of another ship navigating within the narrow channel or fairway. Crossing vessels in a fairway. Crossing vessels are warned not to cross the channel or fairway if such an action obstructs the safe passage of another ship navigating within the narrow channel or fairway. A vessel can cross the fairway if this does not impede the passage of a ship following the channel. Vessel navigating within narrow channel has any doubt about the intention of the crossing vessel, then it may sound 5 or more short and rapid blasts as mentioned in Rule 34D to know the intention of the crossing vessel. Overtaking vessels in a fairway. In this case, if the vessel behind wants to overtake, then she has to sound the signal, 2 prolonged blasts followed by 1 short blast, to mean, I intend to overtake you on your starboard side. If in agreement, the ship to be overtaken should go to one side of the channel and sound 1 prolonged, 1 short, 1 prolonged, and 1 short blast. Similarly, if the ship wants to overtake from the port side, it will sound 2 prolonged blasts followed by 2 short blasts. If in agreement, vessel to be overtaken should go on one side and sound 1 prolonged, 1 short, 1 prolonged, and 1 short blast. If the ship ahead does not understand the signal, she should at least 5 short and rapid blasts on the whistle to know the intention. Even after the agreement of the ship ahead, the final responsibility to keep clear in such situation lies with the overtaking vessel only as per the Rule 13. Bend and obstructions in a fairway. A vessel when nearing a bend or an area of obstruction in a channel should sound 1 prolonged blast. Any approaching vessel within the hearing range should answer the signal with another prolonged blast. Anchoring in a fairway. As far as possible, vessels should avoid anchoring in narrow channels except for the safety reasons, where other vessels should be warned and special care should be taken.